make EU sea great again, disruption to a tool. We have America competing, Asia competing in our dear salted sea. Yes, politicians, we are in Europe surrounded by sea. You know, you can swim in the sea, and this is where then you can really export and import. For example, we're going to stop visas for ASEAN seafarers, could we, and employ 4 million Spanish unemployed today by training them basic safety. For example, we have electric ships. Now there is many training to be done in the gas, in the chemical, in the offshore, dynamic positioning. Schools, we have different school systems, like Latvia's training system is the best, in the UK is the best in Europe. Now others in Spain ratings cannot get to officers. Just cut those systems so that we employ these 4 million seafarers. Intrinsic value, each of them is around 22 million if it is a rating, then 88 million if it is an officer, and yes. So we could really make European waters great again. Then another way is the European flags. Yes, they cannot compete with American flags, or even perhaps with Singapore flag. Some Hong Kong flag could compete. Question is America closer than Asia? Yeah, then why not invest in that Cyprus, Malta, Madeira? The European flags open the doors to full American availability endorsements, and many other ways, like zero tax for seafarers, zero tax for the flag. Cut local legislation and apply the flags legislation. Let's have a very transparent ILO, MLC, Social Security, social bonus, compliance, because we are the leaders. Yes, we started sailing around. Some say yes, some say not, but who cares? The question is, can we make European waters great again and generate 4 million jobs plus indirect 44? That's total. No, 4 and 40, total 44 million jobs. No, we cannot, because they make decisions in Brussels and with councils, local province and the central government and the local government and then the European government. Do these guys know something about the sea? Nothing. Oh, yeah, today is the time to make European waters great again. Thank you.